You're going to love the 2010 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 5.5-liter V8 engine pairs with the sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.